Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to get my AI on Snapchat. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So with Snapchat previously, you were only able to get my AI if you paid for a subscription, but it's now available for any user at all, meaning that everybody can use the my AI on Snapchat. So what is my AI? It's pretty much just a little bot that you have on your Snapchat that you can go ahead and have a conversation with. If anybody's familiar with ChatGPT, it's pretty much as similar to that as the my AI. So for those who don't know about ChatGPT, it's fairly similar as to the one at Snapchat my AI. So that's just a quick overview on what it looks like. Anyway, we'll go ahead and jump into how to get the Snapchat my AI. So get your mobile app up, and we're going to go ahead and show you this now. So open up a Snapchat, and on your little chat box on the bottom there, you'll see chat. Just click on that, and the first thing you'll see is my AI. So go ahead and open it up, play about with it. Now you do get an option there for $4.49 to have it as a best friend. You can pin that as a best friend, but I don't see why you would have to do that. But this is my AI anyway on the Snapchat. So this is how it works. Just chat to it as normal. So it works like ChatGPT or any other AI platform you guys know out there. So it pretty much works the same way. Now I say you don't have my AI. How can I go ahead and get it downloaded? How can I add it to my Snapchat? So go to your app store, and you'll see here on Snapchat, usually it would say update. Now updating it to the most up-to-date version, just search up on your Google Play Store or the App Store, search up Snapchat and go ahead and click update. Now you will have that option to update if it's not up to the version it needs to be. Now if it still doesn't show your AI, go back on Snapchat, go to the Bitmoji on your top left, select the settings on the top right, and then once you have selected the settings, scroll all the way down until you hit support, select I need help, and now in this section you'll be able to search up my AI or problems with the AI Snapchat. You can pretty much search everything that you need on the Snapchat support. But there you go guys, that is how to get my AI on Snapchat. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.